A shocking video goes viral on social media on 2nd September 2020, showing a horrifying incident. The visuals are from Margaon, wherein jewelry shop owner Swapnil Walke, aged 35, tried to nab thieves but could not manage as he was stabbed by unknown robber. As the robber tries to escape, some people ran behind the miscreants, but shockingly, others who were at the spot were just watching the incident. The police investigation is on in this matter. As soon as Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant came to know about the incident, CM spoke to DGP and SP South Goa and asked them to investigate the incident and arrest the culprits at the earliest. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following. Shocked by the tragic incident at the jewelry outlet in Margaon today, I've spoken to DGP and SP South Goa and asked them to investigate the incident and arrest the culprits at the earliest. We will ensure that stern action is taken and the guilty are brought to justice. My deepest sympathies are with the family of the victim in this difficult time. Goa opposition leader Digambar Kamath reacts over the incident, says it's the complete collapse of law and order in the state of Goa. Digambar Kamath took to social media and said the following. Completely devastated with the news of the daylight stabbing of young businessman from Margaon, Swapnil Walke, on his jewelry shop. Complete collapse of law and order in the state of Goa. I demand immediate action in nabbing the murderers. Goa Forward Party President Vijay Sardesai also raised his concern over the law and order in the state of Goa. Vijay shares a video and demanded special protection for jewelers.
आमच्या देशान आणि प्रदेशान महामारी आसाच आणि ती वाढतूय आसा. ताजे बरोबर म्हाका दिसता इकॉनॉमिक क्रायसिस म्हळ्यार अर्थव्यवस्था जी विस्कळीत जाल्या हाचे खातीर क्रायम वाडटली हे सरकारान विचार पयलींच करूंक जाय आशिल्लो. म्हणून आज जे मडगांव जालां, मडगांव जे जाका कमर्शियल राजधानी म्हणून वळखतात गोंयची, जंय सकाळी सारके दिसा धगड्याक एका शेतीच्या दुकानाचेर अटॅक करून ताचो खून जालो इन एन अटेम्प्टेड डिकॉयटी, हें पळोवन म्हाका दिसता एकूच गोश्ट म्हणूं येता की देर इज अ कंप्लीट कोलॅप्स ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन द स्टेट. आनी हाचे खातीर हांव सरकारा कडेन मागतां की बेगिनल्या बेगीन जे गुन्हेगार आहात तांकां धरचे, तांचेर कठोर कारवाई करची आनी जर कारवाई जाली ना जर ते मेळना जाल्यार ते रिस्पॉन्सिबल पुलीस ऑफिसरांचेर एक्शन घेवची. पूण हें म्हणटना हांव सरकारा कडेन मागतां की सरकारान विचार करूंक जाय की सॉफ्ट टार्गेट्स जे आहा, शेड कम्युनिटी म्हणटा ती सॉफ्ट टार्गेट आसूंक शकता. कित्याक एक परसेप्शन आहा की तांचे कडेन तांच्या दुकानांनी भांगर आसा आनी पयशे तांचे कडेन आसतले म्हणून. म्हणटकर हे सॉफ्ट टार्गेट्साक प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक जाय आनी ताचे खातीर थंय इल्युमिनेशन जावपाक जाय, पेट्रोलिंग जावपाक जाय आनी स्पेशल प्रोटेक्शन तांकां मेळपाक जाय. आनीक लोकांनी सादूर रावपाची गरज आहा. चड करून लोक जे बँकेक वतात, जे कोण घरांनी फंक्शनां करपाचे आहा, तांणी एक तकलेन धरूंक जाय की आनी बॉर्डरी उगड्यो केल्या, भायले क्रिमिनल भितर येतले, हे आमचे सेक्युरिटी म्हणटा तो एक इशू सदांच उरतलो. आनी सरकारान ही सेक्युरिटी वाडोवपा खातीर स्टेप्स बेगितल्या बेगीन घेवपाक जाय. हांव स्वप्निलाक वळखता म्हजो शेजारी म्हणून. तो जो वयर सरला भुरगेपणाच्यान, हांवें ताका पळयला आनी जें आज ताचो डे लायट मर्डर जो जाला हो पळोवन खूब वायट दिसता. ताजे भयण्याक आनी ताज्या आवयक देवान शक्ती दिवची, इतलेंच हांव देवा कडेन मागतां.
Goa Aam Aadmi Party convener Elvis Gomes takes to Twitter and says this pic of a daylight robbery and murder of jewelry shop owner today shows sorrowing lies my land. Dr. Pramod Sawant law and order has taken a beating. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.